How can anyone stay hungry on the day of the festival? That's not possible. Mr. Bittergat ate something.
This year arrangements are very lavish.
Yes.
Anyway, the food was awesome.
Thank you.
I don't eat non-veg, but all the vegetables were amazing. Where is Som?
Yeah.
We are about to leave.
He'll come. You please sit here.
Hmm.
Come,
Yes, yes.
sit.
You also have a seat?
Yes. There. Shom is here. Shom.
Oh,
Hey, come.
will you like to have Peter leaf?
No.
Has everyone eaten there?
Yes, everyone is eating there.
Okay, fine. You have a seat. Give this to me. Sit.
Come sit.
Sit.
I suppose we can talk now. What do you say, Dad?
Yes, of course. So, my child, Mr. Breton was saying that you are looking for a job. Yes. I mean, there is nothing.
Hey, come on. Why the hesitation? Look, we know everything. Do you know what, Shom? No one in the Modak family can value you. But we do. We definitely will. Right, Dad?
Yes, of course. Look, son. I'm going to tell you very frankly. We are your rivals. I won't offer you a job for nothing, right? You have to do one more work for us. The Modak's family have so many shops in prime locations. I actually want those shops.
Okay, let it be, Dad. I will explain this to him. You come with me, Shom. Come. Let's go. Listen. As a member of this family, you'll have to do something so that Modaks will be forced to sell all their shops to us at any cost.
And this work won't be done in a day, but it will happen. Mr. Breton, your daughter-in-law, Mithai, is very smart. She has raised the Modak's family's sale in few days. Before coming here, I actually saw the account register. This festival, the Modaks have made a great profit.
Is that so? Shom, what is he saying?
That girl knows her job. We have to remove that girl from our path. Then the shops will be mine. And if that girl is out of the way, then we'll suffer double losses.
But how will that be possible, Mr. Agarwal?
Oh, uncle, it's very simple. Listen, earlier standard sweets were available in Siddheshwar Modak's shop. Therefore, customers got used to the quality. Their expectation grew. Now, what if the quality suddenly falls down? What will happen then? The Modak will start losing their customers. But this will only be possible if Mithai is out of the way. Did you understand, uncle? Double loss.
Did you understand, Shom? I did not introduce you with Mr. Agarwal for no reason. If you work for them, then you will get the service fee. And if a shop is registered in their name, then you will get commission. Do you agree?
Brother Som! Brother Som! Where are you? We have to make arrangements for the dance. Brother Som? Yes, I agree.
Listen, Halla Party.
Yes.
We must enjoy this celebration to the fullest because this is our final show.
Yeah.
Yes.
Rajiv, I'm sure you'll be doing something today. Hey, wife! Sushoma! Will you dance again?
Dad, please sit here. Listen, when will you mature?
Where were you all this while? Why are you so upset, Sid? Okay, Sid. Yesterday, Mithai threw color on you, isn't it? That is what I think. She seems to have cast a spell on the Holla party. Do you know? They threw mud water on me too, but I didn't say anything only because it's holy. Otherwise, I would have shown Mithai her place.
Tess, will you please keep quiet? I mean to say, have you picked up the infection from Mithai? Why are you talking rubbish? You know there is a celebration going on here and I can't say anything to anyone. Why are you complaining?
Do you remember Samresh? Sister-in-law used to love music and dance so much. Today we are dancing to the music, but sister-in-law isn't with us. Actually, whenever I come here, I really miss my sister-in-law. That room on the second floor in which sister-in-law's body was kept. I can't go to that room till now.
Ah, please, Amaresh, leave it. Speak slowly. Siddharth is standing behind.
Sister-in-law used to love music and dance so much. Today we are dancing to the music, but sister-in-law isn't with us.
Mother, why did you have to leave everything and go away? Why did this injustice happen? Look how everyone is enjoying. And you could not enjoy any of this.
Actually, whenever I come here, I really miss my sister-in-law. That room on the second floor in which sister-in-law's body was kept. I can't go to that room till now.
No way. Who opened the door to my mother's room? This can't happen. This just can't happen. Sadashiv uncle! Sadashiv uncle! Sadashiv uncle!
Yes, what happened, sir? Tell me.
Who opened my mother's room? Don't you know my mother's room is always closed? Who opened it?
No, I mean, I'm telling you the truth. I didn't open it.
Sadashiv uncle, no one enters my mother's room. Mother's room is always closed and you know this well.
What's happening here? Why there is so much of noise? Tell me.
Uncle, why are you so afraid? I opened that room early in the morning. Actually, the room was so dusty
What did
that
you say? How dare you open the door? That's my mother's room. Who asked you to open my mother's room? Don't you know your boundaries? How dare you do that? Listen, Mithai, you are torturing me now.
Siddharth, what are you saying? I
Keep
am
quiet. Not another word. Do you even know what it means to open that room?
What are you doing? What are you doing, Siddharth? Have you lost your mind, son? And please tell me something first. How will Mithai know about all this? How will she know that sister-in-law's body is kept in that room and that room is supposed to be closed forever? How will she know that? Sister-in-law's body is kept in that room and that room is supposed to be closed forever. How will she know that? Please calm down. Get a grip on yourself.
Uncle, first ask this girl. Why did she open that room without asking anyone? I need my space. I don't like if anyone steps into my private space. I really can't take it anymore.
Uncle? Uncle, today I will enter that room. I have always seen that this one room in Pranohara always remains closed. Now that the room has been opened, I will definitely go inside.
Shri, listen to me first.
No,
Shri-
Uncle. No. She was my mother too. And nobody here wants to acknowledge that. I will go today. Come, Mithai.
Trust me, Sister Shri. I only thought that this room has a photograph of your mother. And on this day, we must offer colors to her. Do you know, I would also put colors in front of my father's photo. That is why I opened this room. Had I known that by opening this room I can hurt anyone, then I would not have opened it. Trust me, Sister
Mithai.
Shri.
Mithai, I don't know who felt what. But I know that you filled my heart with joy by opening this room, and I can't explain to you how much joy you have given to me. Do you know, I have never seen my mother. I have never touched her. But today, By entering this room, I can feel my mother. Thank you so much, Mithai. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Siddharth, come inside and see. Come and see. Come and see how beautifully sister-in-law's photo is decorated. You will feel good. Come.
I can't do that. I can't do that.
Mithai, he was angry. Don't mind his words. Actually, the matter is, Siddharth is not ready yet to accept his mother's death. That's why he shouted at you. I know that what you did was correct according to us. But Siddharth is hurt by this. He felt very bad.
I did not want to hurt anyone, uncle. I don't want to hurt anyone. Believe me, I didn't want.
Sushama, after many years, we are celebrating Color Festival in this way. Eldest daughter-in-law used to do this. But this time Mithai is doing. Feels great. Do you know? For quite some time, I feel as if Mithai is just like Arati. She was fun-loving and had a big heart. She kept everyone together. Today, I am really missing Aarti a lot.
Please, Grandpa, don't talk about Mom. Siddharth is very upset. Already there was a mess.
Oh Lord, please allow Mr. Bitterguard's pain to come out. I know his pain, oh Lord. Today, Mr. Bitterguard's heart is in great turmoil.
Siddharth, come to that side.
Grandpa, you please leave me alone. I can't take all this anymore. Seriously.
I know, my son. I heard everything. Siddharth, you will go mad one day if you suppress so much pain within you. Come with me. Today, we spend the entire day happily. There is something else with us. We can't see her, but she is here. She is our eldest daughter-in-law. She used to love to enjoy and have fun. She encouraged music and dance. Today we will sing a song for our eldest daughter-in-law. Do you all agree?
Yes, of course, Dad. We all are ready. But, Dad, only one person can sing a song for sister-in-law. Will Siddharth agree to this?
Grandpa, you know that I can't sing publicly, then why are you insisting?
I know, Siddharth. But today, on this day of color festival, for the first time, sing a song for your mother in front of everyone. The way Mithai unknowingly opened the door and showed her love to eldest daughter-in-law. Similarly, you. Why don't you also make an effort? It's okay if you don't sing on any other day. But today you must sing a song. You will see that you will feel better.
Sid. Please. Please.